Hi everybody, this is Miss Ann from the Newcastle branch of the Pioneer Library System. I'm going to show you a cool technique for creating op art. The op in op art refers to optical illusion. In this art form, artists focus on tricking the eye to create the illusion of movement. The term op art was coined in 1964 when Time magazine published an article on the movement. Here are some examples of op art. For this technique, you're going to need a piece of paper, a Sharpie, and colored pencils. To start your picture, draw a curving line across your paper. Think hills and not mountains. Next, go back and put 8 dots on your line. Be sure to get a dot close to the edge of the paper. 1, 2, 3. Also, put them at different lengths from each other on the paper. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, go back in and connect the dots with bumping lines. Make sure the lines go right off the paper. When you get to the edge, pretend like it's going to a dot that is out of our focus. Do this until you've filled your entire page and the lines go off the edge on both the top and the bottom. Now choose 2 or 3 colors to color in between the lines. Think about the color wheel. Do you want your colors to really pop? Choose colors that are across from each other on the color wheel. These are complementary colors. Do you want your colors to be calming or soothing? Choose colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. These are analogous colors. For a soothing, calming picture, choose cool colors. For a more vibrant picture, choose warm colors. Color heaviest in the corners of the spaces and lighter as you get out toward the middle. Continue this way until you've filled the entire page with color. I found it easiest to color the columns instead of trying to color across. That way I could keep my color pattern correct. Op art. Give it a try. Resources available from the Pioneer Library System on op art include How to Survive Modern Art by Susie Hodge in paper format. Available in streaming video format from Canopy include Postmodernism and Art That Moves Us, Time and Motion.